Hey guys, since marami nagtatanong kung paano ba mag-prop firm trading sir or paano ba bumili dyan lods. So in this video, gagawa tayo ng tutorial on how to buy a prop firm challenges and start your prop firm journey. So magbabay tayo ng challenge dito kay Equity Edge. So punta lang tayo dito sa 3 dots upper left side. Click nyo yung choose a challenge. First step is to decide what kind of challenge yung gusto nating bilhin. It could be 2-step or instant account, but if hindi mo pa kabisado yung instant, I suggest start ka lang sa 2-step challenges nila. So in this video, we'll be buying a 10k 2-step legacy account. Second step is to choose a mode of payment na gagamitin. In this video, we'll be using a card payment, so any card will work, but in my case, I'll be using Wise Digital Card. Third step and the last step is to apply the 50% discount coupon code. So don't forget to use my code BOYOT. So instead of paying $59, magiging $29 na lang yung babayaran ko. Then click buy now. Fill up nyo lang yung card details, click pay now, and wait nyo na lang matapos, wag nyo i-refresh, and that's it. Double check nyo if pumasok sa dashboard. So yun lang, I hope meron kayong natutunan and good luck sa prop firm journey nyo. Bye bye!